welcome to another edition of Skincare Sunday. Today is going to be about makeup. I have a special announcement to make. I have teamed up with Lime Life by Alcone to bring you guys some really amazing makeup products. I've been a fan for quite a while, so I have quite a few of their palettes. I'm just going to point out some of my favorites from the line. Their foundation in particular. I carry this foundation palette in my professional makeup kit when I'm doing bridal parties, and I always do a base layer of this and then I airbrush over the top of this. This is wax based and it's 50% pigmented, so it doesn't settle into the pores at all. If you have acneic, red, inflamed skin, this is going to cover all of the redness, and it's not going to make your acne worse because it just sits on top of the skin. If you have aging skin, you've got fine lines and wrinkles, creases, this isn't going to settle into the creases and the fine lines and wrinkles, and it gives such a flawless finish to the skin. I currently have it on and I love it. I'm obsessed with this foundation. Another one is their blush. This is the only blush that lasts me almost all day. When I'm at work, it will last me through work. If I'm going out in the evening, I do add a little bit more over the top of it. But other blushes that I have tried don't last even through the work day. I've got super oily skin and usually it just kind of eats the blush away. And then I have a small obsession with any kind of lip products, as you can see from my t-shirt. So I have quite a few of their liquid lipsticks and the regular lipsticks, and then a few of their glosses. There was a photo that the lip artist, my coworker and injectionist, shared of my lips on her page. This one here, and in that photo I am wearing this lip gloss. So it's highly pigmented, it smells amazing, there's this cute little mirror on the side of it and it's all blinged out on top. And then their mascara. I love their mascara. I've tried quite a few different brands, and without fail they always end up under my eye when I put mascara on my lower lashes. This is the only one that does not rub off underneath my eyes. I hated Better Than Sex. That mascara was horrible. I would have like black streaks under my eyes that looked like raccoon eyes at the end of the work, even in the middle of the workday. It was terrible. So when I signed up with the company, they sent me this starter box. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing with you guys here and show you what is in it. So super cute box, really great packaging, love it. I'm gonna slide this bow off. So I'll show you guys, there's all this paper confetti. So fun packaging, really messy though. So right on top there are some information and brochures. If you guys are interested in any of the makeup products, I can mail you out a brochure. They also sell skincare products. They're not medical grade, but it's still a really great skincare line. It's all natural, no harsh chemicals, it's really clean. It's not medical grade, so you're not going to get the same results as you would for like anti-aging, but it's still a really great skincare line if you guys don't have it in your budget to have medical skincare, or maybe you're not even interested in that. I can send you samples of the skincare, and I can send you a brochure if you're interested in the makeup, so just let me know down below. So first we have the Dream Clean Aloe and Soapberry Facial Cleanser. We have the Skin Therapy Pomegranate and Oat Face Moisturizer. We have the First Base Makeup Primer. This is a spray. And the Time Setter Makeup Finish Oil-Free Setting Spray. I actually use this in my makeup kit as well to make everyone's makeup last throughout the day and evening. And then, as you can see from the palettes that I showed you, they have all of these little refillable cartridges. So one of those, and then one of the translucent powders to set the foundation, and a little tiny travel brush to go with that. And then we have the Perfect Eyeliner Pen. I gotta show you guys this. If you are a fan of doing the cat eyeliner with the little wing on the side, this is perfect for that. Super fine tips. You can get that perfectly straight, dark black line. And then we have a lip gloss, and we have the Perfect Mascara, two of my favorites. So in this starter kit, if you are interested in being a part of the Lime Life company as well, maybe you're a makeup enthusiast, if you want to start this as well, this starter kit costs $99. You can let me know if you're interested. I can get you all set up with that. Let me know if you want a catalog, let me know if you want skincare samples, and comment below if there are any makeup looks that you guys have been wanting to try on yourself and don't know how to do, or even just basic makeup tricks and tips. I'm going to try to bring you guys kind of a mixture of both skincare and makeup, since those are both my passions and specialties. So I hope you guys had a great Sunday, and I will see you next week.